Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to review this product. This is a mobile holder for the cars from the Philips company. It has a dimension of 95 mm which can hold up to any mobile which is available in the market. And the best part is that the manufacturer is the Philips company, and it can be mounted to any part of your car, especially the dash and the windscreen. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and unbox this. Okay, here again it is mentioned 95 mm, which is quite good enough and compatible with all kind of cell phones which is there in the market. And here we have the picture which says about how to go and install this. Pretty easy to install, can be mounted to the screen and the dash as shown in the picture. And here we have the specifications. Okay, so let's not waste much time, okay, and quickly unbox this so that we can see what's inside this small package from the Philips. So here we have, okay, a nice packaging from the Philips. Okay, and this is the best thing which you can expect at this price range. The cost about around 800 rupees in the market. However, you can get a few discounts if you purchase from Amazon. It is even listed as 600 rupees and 700 rupees. So here we have what is called a dash, okay, mounting suction, okay, also known as suction clip. And here we have the mobile holder. Okay, so it comes in a two different parts. You have to assemble this, and I'll show you how the assembly looks like. Okay, so we have it in hand, the mobile holder for which we were waiting for, and we have a user manual too, okay, which you can refer. So this is a pretty much easy to install and not need much explanation. So I will put up the description link. The entire user manual would be there in the description link, which you can refer. Okay, so now this is the good quality of plastic which has been used, and you can see the retractable side flaps which will work the wonders. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, 95 mm, which means it can also hold a big note phone. Okay, so quite good enough. Okay, and this firm grip will help you in the bumpy roads and even on the bad road conditions. Even if the car is shaky, it is not gonna what do you say, let your phone down. Okay, so this is the best feature I like about the Philips. Definitely even you're gonna like it. And there are other brands too, okay, but Philips, since you know that this is a known brand, okay, one should go for it. Okay, so now here we will go ahead and hook this up. Okay, so I'll show you how it is done. Okay, we are removing this uh, cover here. Okay, and we need to go ahead and insert this in this suction uh, clip which we have it, and then you have to screw it nicely so that it holds the firm grip. Okay, so here I'm screwing up this. So now you can see it is done like this. So well, we have this Philips product ready. Okay, so now you can let's talk about this back side of the suction clip. Okay, this has a very good grip on the dash, or let's say for example on the windscreen, because it's made out of very good quality rubber. Material is very nice, and since this is a trusted brand in India for a long period of time, okay, they are not going to make a substandard product for their consumers. Okay, so now this is the best thing which you could have it. Okay, now what we're not going to do is we are also going to test this on a riding conditions. Okay, and here we have one more, what do you say, a glimpse of retractable feature which will help you to adjust your cell phone according to the shape and the size. So you can dock it sideways or you can dock it upside down. Okay, that's the first thing which I will say. Now here we have it. Now yeah, so this is how you can go and install this on your car. Okay, so pretty much the installation I'm going to view the my we are going to first remove this flip. Okay, and based on the requirement, either the dash or either the, what do you say, the windscreen. Okay, you can choose your comfortable location. I prefer mounting this on a windscreen, so this is how I have mounted this on a windscreen, because it is not going to block my eye line and the front view while I'm driving and will not create any obstruction. So same